Good day, this is Alex from Internet Well Seekers, right? So welcome to my IM debut blog, right? So today I want to do a very special introduction about this training program. It's called 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge by this Jonathan Montoya. You may have heard of this guy, Jonathan Montoya is in fact one of the very top internet marketer, affiliate marketer. He created a fantastic program, right? So in today's review, I want to take you through about this 3-day business breakthrough challenge. This is a $7 on the training cost, but the value is more than $7. The value could be thousand or even 10, 20,000. This 3 days business breakthrough challenge is only $7, right? So in this headline, it said how 22,000 students generated the first paycheck online with their 9 to 5 job. Copy everything to create a life of complete financial time and freedom. Right? So the best part about this training program is a normal user, normal marketer, even a beginner or newbie, they're able to make money very fast using this system because Jonathan had created a very high quality training course, affiliate marketing training course. Right? I joined a lot of affiliate marketing training course, right? But I have never seen a course as complex as this, right? So, but it's only $7, right? So let me quickly take you through is what is a 3 days business breakthrough challenge, right? Right. So this is caused by Jonathan Montoya, right? Okay, this is a guy behind this training, and it's a low ticket training program, $7, right? So this so basically, this 3 days program, the goal is ultimately is how to actually then you achieve the goal of to create your 9 to 5 job, achieve financial freedom. Right? So they teach the same formula that allowed him to quit his job. So he was electrical engineering 10 years ago, right? Before he became a 7 figures marketer online entrepreneur. Right? So he had actually gone through a lot of challenges, failures before he actually is able to create his own training course. His training course was actually sold up to over 10,000. They have actually have a lot of students who have actually made a lot of money via this training program. So it's a crystal clear understanding of how we can build profitable business online, right? So he was saying to set a business up for long-term success, right? So he's doing it by leveraging extremely powerful business model, right? Okay. So this is not a new program. This has been there for years, and just now they have launched a version 2, right? And just start the 10 times better than the original version. So right now, he has over 15,000 students who have already joined 3-day business through. That is pretty impressive, right? So who is Jonathan Montoya? This is some write-up I have actually share with you here. 6-figure net marketer, entrepreneur, that's 9 to 5 job as an engineer. He was an engineer before, right? And he has done really well in the online marketing space. Over 150K followers on TikTok and 30,000 YouTube subscribers. So in his training program, the core feed traffic is going to teach you is about how to master TikTok and YouTube, the feed traffic. I think these are two very impressive, very powerful feed traffic sources for TikTok and for YouTube. But so he's created a free breakthrough program. So freedom breakthrough program is actually advanced version of the 3 days business breakthrough challenge, right? So in this this is a more high-end program, right? Then the cost is about over 1,000, but it's an option to you. So all the program syllabus can be seen inside the member area, right? Okay, so what is inside the 3-day business breakthrough? So the day one is you're going to learn what is an affiliate marketing, how to do it the right way, right? Okay. So he shared a lot of fantastic ideas of how to do affiliate marketing the right way. The different way, right, is the normal way what would have seen in others for other internet marketer, right? Okay. So this is find the core offer, build your own affiliate system the right way, getting traffic and customers. So later you're going to build your business today in 40 minutes, right? Okay, so how to build a business in 40 minutes, he introduced about quick funnel and all those auto responder, right? And later you getting traffic and customer to your automatic system. So in this module, he's going to talk about most of the traffic, right? He talked about TikTok traffic, YouTube traffic, what's the pro and con, and how to get this traffic source set up faster. He also shared about the pay ad, Google ad, and also what's the advantage of doing pay ad and or versus the free traffic. Right? Okay, so he has also have 3 days this private Facebook group you can see. So this is a Facebook group that you're going to see here. So once you sign up the program, $7 only, you are actually allowed access to this private coaching group whereby he already has 17,000 members have joined. So inside the group, you can see a lot of testimonial how people have making thousands per day. We're talking about 1,000 affiliate commission by promoting his own program. So once you sign up this 3-day business breakthrough, he'll be giving you a chance to join. You can join him as his partner and promote his others program, his advanced program, and make thousands of orders per day, not per month, right? So a lot of students have achieved the same result by promoting his program after joining these 3 days business breakthrough, right? Okay, so come up to this here. So this is a 3-day. There's a private Facebook group you can join and learn from the like-minded people, right? You can learn a lot from this private group also, right? Okay, so have people success in the 3 days business breakthrough challenge? Yes, the answer is yes. I've actually posted some real testimonial here. This testimonial is from this private group, right? Okay, you can see how people is making thousands per day, right? Okay, earn commission from the free learn breakthrough, right? So after you sign up for this $7, you are actually giving a chance to be the partner to promote his high-end program. It's called Freedom Breakthrough, and you are able to earn thousand of commission. You are able to build a lead and also earn thousand commission very fast, right? So this is one another good example, right? People is just making 700 plus dollar a day, right? Okay, so this guy, this the one of these that this student have earns over 10,000 in commission, right? Right. So he's actually these he have won a gold stated film breakthrough affiliate also, right? And the last one I'm going to show you, so don't be surprised. They have students have earned 100,000 in pay commission. This is daily have earned over up to 100,000 commission pay commission by promoting his this film breakthrough program, right? So let me quickly share to you before I go to the bonus part of what I'm going to offer to you if you sign up this 3-day business breakthrough here. Let me quickly show to you here inside the member area. So this is a member area. There's only one member area, whether you buy the front end, upsell, or whichever you buy, right? You're going to see everything here, right? Okay. So the $7, you are going to have access to the 3-day business breakthrough whereby you can go 3 days going to learn from Jonathan. Right? The first day you're going to learn about how this system, 3-step system will allow you to quit your job. There's 3-step system I'm going to share with you here, right? So this video itself is announced 1 hour, right? Again, there's a lot of other things here, a lot of homework. So he will make sure you take action and learn and implement. So this very action taking practical training, right? It's very interactive. So day 2, you're going to learn about build your business today in 40 minutes, right? How to build your online business in 40 minutes. It's again another 1 hour's training, and it's again a homework workbook, right? And you also introduce about funnel, the quick funnel, and the bonuses, right? Hey, he's going to give you a bonus, right? It's a 7 step to becoming a super affiliate ebook. He's going to give you an ebook whereby you can give it away as a gift to get more lead, more traffic, and you can actually customize the affiliate link inside the ebook, right? So you can make commission by giving away his free ebook, right? So that's how good is that, right? Okay, right? So there's other couple other things how to set up an autoresponder homework, and against a lot of valuable information just in this $7 3 days program. The last is day 3 is a more important one, is getting traffic customer to your proven automatic system. This is 1.5 hour against these complete courses. So by the end of the day 3 and you're allowed to become a freedom breakthrough affiliate and start making commission from his freedom breakthrough 2.0. Right? Okay, right. So when you buy the front end here, there's a couple of upsell here. I think it's less than 50 baht. I think something like this one and this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 upsell in the same funnel here, right? Okay, so which is again optional, right? So inside the member area, we are also allowed to see the syllabus here. This is come under the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. So this is a high-end program that you will really learn how to become a super affiliate if you actually write into this advanced program. So the advanced program have over 12 modules here. So this is called Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, but this is optional. So after you have complete the 3-day business breakthrough, you can actually also purchase some other OTO upgrade under here, or you can jump straight away to join the advanced program, right? And the best part is you'll be granted to become a Freedom Breakthrough affiliate and start promoting the course here, and you're going to make 50% commission or 75% commission if you also purchase this advanced program. But if you don't purchase the advanced program, you can still promote this advanced program and earning 50% commission, which is, I think, the 50% commission of this advanced program is now 700 to 800. So you're going to make a lot of money by joining this program. So that's why I said it is a very, very extraordinary affiliate marketing program. Like I have never seen this also, and this everyone normal people like this lady, he's just a normal people. After joining for a few months, he's able to make up to 100,000 paid commission, right? So that's how good is there, right? Okay, right. So that I would highly recommend this. $7 is nothing, right? It's not even you can't even buy a cup of Starbucks coffee. So what can you do with the $7? But with $7, you're going to change your life, right? In this $7, you're going to have a 3-day intensive course to learn about how to build online business from one of the market's very top affiliate marketer, product creator, right? It's called Jonathan Montoya, right? Okay. So today, if you decide to sign up this 3 days program, it's only $7, right? And you're going to have access to my special custom models, right? So I'm sure you will not get this $7 program, right? By actually if you don't sign up via me, if you are not going to get all this bonus from other people. So if you sign up the $7 program, I'm going to give you all these bonuses here. My goodness, right? So if you sign up the $7 front end of any OTO in the same funnel, the same OTO I'm telling to you here is this OTO, right? Okay, so this is a front end. You're going to get the front end 3 days, and this is a OTO. Okay, this OTO. OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3, OTO 5. Okay, so this so this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these 3 OTO will become under this same front end, right? So it's the same funnel. So if you get this, if you sign up for this $7 front end and you get any of the OTO under the same funnel, I'm going to give you all my bonuses here. The first and second model, which is my own product, right? The my own product is a none for you money list, is make money online subscriber, and second product is my IMPR what I go. You're going to have over 6,000 PRR ebook and video you can sell, right? So this is provided you sign up the $7 program, right? And in the same sales funnel, right? And if you sign up at the OTO also, right? Just email the proof. If you just want to get the $7 front end, again, you're going to get a lot of bonuses from me. It's all I've actually bundles a few in affiliate marketing related bonus. The first you're going to get is affiliate marketing training, right? The second is a really complete training how to make 10,000 per month doing affiliate marketing. The second, are going to get my best affiliate marketing software. You can sell and keep 100% of the profit. The third one, you're going to get access to over 200 professional creator videos to learn everything about making money online. This earning come when the seller like, right? And going to get my bigger ever selling funnel, right? Have made me over 250K, and this is again agency turnkey business kit, right? 3 turnkey business kit: web design, video agency, and also SEO agency. And also there is a store builder, e-com store builder here, video site store builder. This is a video subscription member platform builder, and this is a YouTube video to WordPress blogs plugin. And I've also include some of the free stock photo in case you need this for your own project. And I have a 3,000 email motivation code. You can use it to post it to your social media, and have some HD video here. You can make this take advantage of this HD video to upload to YouTube also, right? And for your own marketing purpose, as audio widget is a common seller. That if you want to create your own audio track for your project, right? Or for current project, you can use this audio widget. And I have a couple of bonuses which is going to help you to how to double, some trick to double, triple your sale. And this is about YouTube channel, how to get more view, and also rank your YouTube video. And this is 15 times the profit with a 50 traffic, and this is an email SaaS app, right? And here is some of the social media's traffic cloud app, how to get a free traffic from all these social media. And also it can top 6 pay on the traffic SEO tools also, right? And this is a cloud app itself. This is a YouTube channel step-by-step video training how to optimize YouTube channel SEO, and this is how to never seen before meta strategy to how to make money on it without you selling anything. And this is a high ticket system. Yeah. And 100 giveaway to build a list. How you can have 100 giveaway to build a list. This is a lead magnet I'm giving to you. And the last part about here is my exclusive bonus consisting of 80 top product for famous marketer, right? Over 100 HQ bonus. You can give you all the detail about here. So everything you're going to get just for $7 in Beijing, right? So if you sign up, if you buy any of the OTO within the same funnel of the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, you're going to get my others 2 special bonus here. So just get this for $7, right? And OTO, it could be optional to you, but definitely it's something it's going to help you along the way, right? Okay, right? So take this advantage, right? And I'm sure if you're looking to join Jonathan's 3-day business breakthrough, don't go to the other, come to me, come to my review page, and just click here, right? It's going to bring you to this sales page here. Just click on the get instant access now, and you are on your way to make your 6 figures, 7 figures by copy the same strategy, same method which Jonathan had been doing in the past many years, from electrical engineering become a 7 figures internet marketer. Imagine this guy is able to pay as much as 100,000 commission, right, to normal daily life. Right? So imagine how strong, how good is the program. I'm sure this is something you should be focusing in this 2022 and nothing else. There's no other affiliate program you should be joining unless this 3 days business breakthrough from Jonathan Montoya. Okay, right? So text fast action, I have already limited bonus for the 30 fast action taker. Definitely, this is the best deal I have given to you in this new year, and don't wait this opportunity. Right? Tap on this opportunity to take your business to the online business to the next level. Right? Thank you, and so remember, below this video, right, just click the link below this video. It's going to bring you to the review page, so you can purchase this sign up the 3-day business breakthrough and get all my bonuses, right? Right. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye bye.